The top hinge is the primary point of load and alignment, so adjusting it first fixes most rubbing doors with the least effort. When a door rubs, start by loosening the top hinge screws just enough to shift the hinge plate, then retighten while holding the door in the desired position. This moves the door without creating gaps at the latch. If you need vertical lift, replace the top hinge screws with longer screws of the same diameter but longer length to pull the jamb toward the frame and raise the door slightly. Use a screwdriver and avoid over-tightening to prevent stripping. For lateral movement, back out the hinge screws slightly, then tap the hinge leaf with a mallet toward the jamb in small increments, and retest the swing after each adjustment. Always support the door when removing or significantly loosening the top hinge by using a wedge or a helper so the door does not sag and damage the strike plate or bottom hinges. Check the strike plate engagement after any top hinge change and file the strike very little at a time if the latch is not entering smoothly. After adjustments, cycle the door several times to seat hardware, and then verify there is an even gap around the perimeter and that the latch engages without forcing. Common mistakes include over-adjusting the top hinge, which can create binding at the latch or gaps at the bottom. Fix this by making small adjustments and testing after each change. Another issue is using short or strip screws when replacing hardware, which allows movement and recurring rubbing. Remedy that by installing longer, high-quality screws and ensuring they bite into solid jamb timber. People often ignore checking the strike plate after hinge work, which leaves the door hard to close. If so, slightly reposition or recess the strike plate and file incrementally until the latch engages smoothly. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and also helps contractors find work through our listings and outreach tools. We host a discussion community where we and other members share practical repair tips and contractor recommendations.